On this video, we're going to be talking about 5 reasons why you should have gap insurance. Now, been in this business for 25 years, I've seen many customers or saw many customers that do not understand the purpose or the reasons why you should have gap insurance. So follow me or subscribe to my channel because you want to know the 5 reasons why you need gap insurance. Where number 1 is protection against financial loss. That is, if between the cash value of your vehicle and the amount owed. So if your insurance company says that your car is worth $10,000, but you really owe $15,000, the insurance company is going to pay the $10,000. Gap's going to go ahead and pay the other $5,000. So that's number 1. Now, number 2 is peace of mind during the early loan periods. You're going to know that you're going to be able to sleep at night because you don't owe anybody. You don't have an unpaid balance on your car. Now, number 3 is support of high depreciation on the vehicle. Cars with high depreciation rates are your luxury vehicle, your electric vehicles. They often leave a large gap between the value and the loan balance. So gap insurance helps migrate that risk. That's number 3. Support high depreciation vehicles. Again, luxury vehicles and electric vehicles. Number 4 is gap insurance is usually affordable. Gap insurance, if you get gap insurance at the dealership, gap insurance is already put into your payment. You don't have to worry about coming in 6 months later or 7 months later because you didn't want to get in the beginning. You say no to gap insurance at the beginning, but you want gap insurance 6 months later, you can't get gap insurance. So gap insurance has to be done at the beginning of your loan at the dealership. I always say if you're going to get any product, whether it's a service contract, which we call an extended warranty, or gap insurance, you always purchase from the dealer. Why? It's because this is what we do all day. We have relationships with our warranty company. We've been dealing with our warranty companies for years and years and years. And when it comes to extended service contracts or gap or any aftermarket product, you want to make sure that the dealership has a relationship with that particular warranty company. Why? Because if you have an incident happen, I'm going to give you an example. If you have an incident happen, had a customer that was 100 miles over her warranty and something happened with her vehicle. Well, it was 100 miles. So what happened at the dealership? The finance manager picked the phone up. They called the warranty company and they waived it. The person was able to get their car fixed, but they were 100 miles over. Now, if that could have been any other warranty company in America, we have Car Shield, we have all these other warranty companies that are selling warranties or gap insurance. They are aftermarket products that you buy. So again, if something happens, you want somebody to be able to pick up the phone and be an advocate for you. So number 5, coverage for critical incidents. You have peace of mind that you won't have a deficiency balance on your vehicle. You won't owe anything else on your vehicle, and you won't owe on a vehicle that you don't have. If you didn't get anything on this video about gap insurance, remember, gap insurance is when you owe money on your car and you're financing your car. So if you get gap insurance in the beginning of your loan and your loan is paid off, gap insurance does not come into play. Remember, gap insurance is a safety net. I consider it a safety net. It's just like having tire and wheel on your car. Tire and wheel is if you hit a bump, you hit a pothole, and your tire, for some reason, your tire goes flat or you damage the rim, depending on what it is, you have a safety net. You go into the dealership, get your tire repaired, and walk away. And don't have to come out of your pocket with between $300 to $800 or between $300 to $1,500. And the reason the range is different because if you're driving a utility vehicle, the more the car, the more it's going to cost. So damaging a rim on a utility vehicle or on a luxury vehicle is going to be more. So that's why I said the range between $300 and $1,500. A rim and a tire can be quite expensive. And if you didn't get anything on this video, make sure you go watch it from the beginning to the end. Why? It's because I am trying to get more subscribers. Leave comments in the bottom. Subscribe to the Queen's channel. because you'll be notified every time I drop a video.